In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 tips to keep yourself healthy while camping. Plus, I'm gonna show you the amazing Big Sur here in California. I don't know about you guys, but with all of this pandemic and lockdown going on, to be honest, I have been feeling pretty low. Nonetheless, thank God the US government gave us green light to visit some beaches, and that's why Kyle and I just hopped into the car and went to this region, Big Sur, for 4 days camping. So we just found a obstacle to work with nobody. So let's see this. There they go. Nobody, Kyle's dog, he's a service dog of K9. So he can climb and do lots of training. And Kyle is always seeing obstacles where he can just train him. We just stopped to pee next to the road and we just saw this thing and he couldn't resist. The good thing about working him is that he gets, way more worked and exhausted, so he just chills more during the trip, because if not, he goes crazy in the car. Oh my God, no! What is this?
Pasta.
But who made this pasta?
Pretty sure the supermarket made it. No, this is homemade pasta by you or me. What are you gonna eat?
This is pasta with mushrooms and sweet pepper and ginger. Tip number 1, meal prep. Guys, I cannot address more how important it is for you to do meal preparation before going to camp. Why? Because every activity during the camping is very challenging to do, including the cooking. And if you don't prepare your food before camping, you're gonna end up just eating sandwich, chips, and pasta, probably. So the meal prep is really important. You have to prepare it for 1 or 2 days before. For that, it's key to have a menu. And I made for you a special menu for camping. So you can have it just following the link down below in the description box, and you will have a guide in order to have all of your meal prep before you're camping. Our camp is ready. The bedroom. This is our room. It's super cute. It's super nice. I love it. One of my favorite things really is camping. Camping is like basically sleeping outside. So it's pretty cool. I love it.
Spanish correctly.
Yes.
This is what you call the new guy on the construction site. You can make mapache do anything you need. Mapache, go take my dog for a walk.
Ah, really? I didn't know that. It's like the military. The new ones have to do stuff for them. This is in construction here in the US. Hey you guys, well, we reached the Veteran Center. This is a really cool camping site because it's first one to come, first one to serve. So you don't need a reservation, you just need to come here, and you paid pretty easy, and it's $40 a night. So it's pretty cool. We're pretty happy about it. It's pretty cold this night, and I'm making dinner. This is the kitchen. It's a pretty cool kitchen with two fires. It works perfectly. This is the gas. And tonight we are making sweet potatoes that I brought them already cooked. I'm just heating them up. And gallo pinto. This is a Costa Rican dish. How are you boys?
It's crashing into everything.
Really? So that's nobody's spot. What is going on, sweetie? There's a dog there, female, and he's like crazy. Well, let's dive in. So I'm basically starving because we have been on the road almost all day. I need food. Sweet potato with tahini, rice and beans, salad. Tip number 2, you have to stretch your body every single day. Guys, remember that you are sleeping on a mattress on the floor. So that is not the best thing you can do for your back and your neck. So if you don't do a stretch exercise every single day, it's very possible that you can end up with pain. So it is really important for you to take at least 20 minutes of your day and give your back and neck a really good stretch. Where are we?
Lost. We're in Big Sur. I don't actually know where Big Sur is. Maybe it's in the middle of the coast of California. We're 30 minutes from the nearest Starbucks.
No, that's not true.
No?
No.
45 minutes.
I would say like 1 hour and a half. We have to cross this river to get to the beach. It's a really cold river, but we're gonna dip in just to cool off and to be awake for the next part of the trip. Tip number 3 is to stay hydrated. Guys, remember that while you're camping, you're off the grid. That means that you don't have water available. Well, depending on the place, but it's very possible that you don't have it. And we tend to forget about that because we're always used to have water available, and it's pretty common that people doesn't carry that much water. Another thing is that the water has a lot of weight, so sometimes it's difficult to put all of that weight in the car. For that, you can buy electrolytes and you can add them into your water, so you're gonna stay and maintain yourself pretty hydrated during the whole trip. So guys, this was the video. I hope that you love it, and if you are planning to go camping somewhere, let me know in the comments down below because I would love to know more about, okay? So until next week, please be safe, be healthy, and stay happy and active. Big hug to you. Bye.
Girl, you're